Welcome to the second round of the 11 on 10 showdown between our co-founders Saurabh and Siddhant. The winner gets bragging rights and 11-night, 10-day, all expenses paid trip to the Maldives. Just kidding, because you guys never take a break. So this round is basically to see how well in the last 10 years of working together do you all know each other. Are you co-founders or BFF? Who paid me to become Kejo? We'll go one by one. Even if your answer was funny enough, you get the point. Okay? What is Siddhant's go-to comfort food when life gets dramatic?
Butter chicken.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. He answered that really fast.
Every time you see me order that, he
Question for you. What is the most Saurabh line that he says at least once a day?
चाय पीने चलते हैं क्या? Good one. I think once a day that happens.
Yeah.
Is there a line that Siddhant says all the time?
कुछ नहीं बोलने के तो क्या चल रहा है? While leaving कल घूमते रहे. But he will not come to office tomorrow.
What is the one thing that can ruin Siddhant's mood instantly?
तारी creative अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा. Anything visually not looking good.
I agree.
Slightly dramatic but good. What is Saurabh's love language for his colleague?
Love language. आजा बैठते हैं अगर ये ऑफिस के बाद मिलते हैं. That's his love language. If you get that, that means he loves you.
The next set of questions are for both of you. Both get an opportunity to answer, but the funniest answer wins. If your co-founder had to choose one outfit to wear forever, what would it be?
Jeans and a casual shirt, like a checks shirt.
वहीं will wear the belt for his life.
A belt?
Our favorite belt.
Is lucky belt? Is it a lucky? Oh, great. What's a toxic trait about your co-founder that only you know?
Then we can't reveal. बोलो प्यारी प्यार है.
Not allowed. This united front would work.
I think his toxic trait is that he'll always defend his team. He will kind of scold them on the side, but in front of me he'll नहीं अच्छा कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, and he knows that they're
You admit to the charges you've been. Correct.
To an extent, yeah.
What's the toxic trait हमारे?
सामने लाओ सबको. बुलाओ उसको किधर है ये? दूध का दूध पानी का पानी यही होगा.
So it is आज खुलासा होके रहे हैं. Guys, have you noticed? So your trait that you will defend someone as a primarily, and that you will do a
on the
all out. Good balance, guys.
The good cop, bad cop.
Yeah, it works well. Which movie character would be more suitable for your co-founder?
I think Rancho from Three Idiots. Sort of very smart, has that naughtiness in him and IIT.
What about him?
अपना आता हमारी साटा ली.
Pingam? This one is a task. Give each other a nickname.
Parachute.
Whoa.
I would call him the parachute.
Like safety.
It's like a troubleshoot, He can troubleshoot anytime.
If I could stand, I would. Nice. Pata?
Captain.
Captain is a good way.
Not of Titanic.
No, not Titanic. We have parachute and captain. What, according to you, is the other person's funniest habit?
He'll be looking like he'll be attending a call and suddenly roll his eyes someone walking next to him. He won't move his head. He'll just move his eyes.
And what is his funny habit? You can say he has a very, very funny and cute laugh. You can say that. Turning into a roast.
अब बात करते एकदम पूरा ऐसा पीछे जाएंगे, पीछे करेंगे, and then the discussion goes on. He'll stretch himself.
He'll become annoyingly comfortable in a serious conversation. And with that, we come to the end of the showdown, in which the winner is... We at Ugaon know that the only win that truly matters is when a person brings home a plant. Because plants grow people.